Tehillim 110. A Psalm by David. Yahuwah says to Adoni, "Sit at my right hand until I make your enemies your footstool for your feet." Yahuwah will send forth the rod of your strength out of Zion. Rule in the midst of your enemies. Your people offer themselves willingly in the day of your power, in holy array. Out of the womb of the morning you have the dew of your youth. Yahuwah has sworn and will not change his mind. You are a priest forever in the order of Melchizedek. Adonai is at your right hand. He will crush kings in the day of his wrath. He will judge among the nations. He will heap up dead bodies. He will crush the ruler of the whole earth. He will drink of the brook in the way. Therefore he will lift up his head.